ready to go to the library and to get a treat if we're good at the library. So we'll try and figure out somewhere to go downtown in our small town rather than just going to the Starbucks drive-thru, which is usually easier with a baby and a preschooler. Much more wasteful though.
And these bad guys are trying to wiggle like that to block it.
Oh, for sure. Oh my gosh, do I feel a tooth? Is that a tooth in there? Those feel like little tooth-ins in your mouth. Oh my gosh, I feel a tooth. Where? I don't know. He's biting me with it though. Crazy, right?
No. Where? Can I say the tooth?
Kelly, chill. Here, let's see. Ready? Right there. That's his little tooth-in.
He can't talk.
I don't think he can talk yet, Kelly Cakes. We just got back from going to the library, getting treats at Cece's, which I thought was great. Cece's, I ordered a pumpkin latte, which I haven't had yet. And it definitely was nice and syrupy, sweet.
But you know there's two, Mommy. There's all these treats too, Mama.
There's all the treats? Oh my goodness.
There's all the treats. They said we can only eat these treats, Mom. We can only, they say we can only eat these, Mommy.
What was really cool was that they had a lot of alternatives to milk. So they had hemp milk, almond milk, soy milk. So I got almond milk in mine. And it still tasted really good. Kelly liked his hot cocoa. The donut was really good. It was a nice treat Monday type of a deal. And then we also got the tiny cinnamon buns. I'm assuming they order their cinnamon buns from somewhere. The cinnamon bun was a little too sweet for me, but Kelly really liked it, of course. Excuse me, we were gonna share that.
Mommy,
Okay, Kelly, so do you like the donut?
Yeah, like totally.
Like totally. What about the hot cocoa?
Yeah. Hot.
It's hot? I thought it was just right.
I know it's hot now.
So after that we went to Twice Blessed, which is in our small town as well, in Duvall. And I was specifically looking for jeans for Kelly because he has 0 jeans. Yeah, 0. So we got 2 pairs of Levi's for $9. And they're really nice Levi's.